Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Deleting the important in the content, no difference. Let's go to this question. Context has been changed. Okay, write all the namespace Kubernetes resources in this. So KAPI resources hyphen namespace is equal to true. Namespace resources they are asking. It's done. Find the project with the highest number of roles. A get roles hyphen A. 6 project C14 has the highest role. Okay, get roles hyphen add project C14. What count hyphen L? 301. Is there any headers? Sorry. Yes, there was a headers. That's fine. So echo, we have to name of the project, that is project hyphen C14 hyphen 300. Redirect the output to this. Got it.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.